Now at 5 o'clock, a push for safer streets. Neighbors joined with civic leaders today to demand changes in the wake of a car crash that killed 2 young children.
Yeah, police say a driver suffering a medical episode plowed through a crosswalk in Park Slope on Monday. 1-year-old Joshua Liu, 4-year-old Abigail Bloomstein were killed. Abigail's mother, Tony Award-winning actress Ruthie Ann, remains in hospital.
Eyewitness News reporter Lauren Glassberg is live for us at the intersection where lawmakers met today. Lauren?
Diana and David, those lawmakers gathered at this corner, which is now marked by the telltale signs of loss. They are proposing legislations that could make streets safer for everyone.
We really need to stop that from ever happening again.
2 young lives gone in an instant. Police say Dorothy Bruns suffered a medical emergency when she went through a red light and plowed into 2 children and each of their mothers in Park Slope on Monday. This new video shows the horrified faces of pedestrians who witnessed that crash. Bruns' vehicle had been cited numerous times for running red lights in the past. Today, state lawmakers proposing new laws that would make it harder for certain people to get behind the wheel by mandating that doctors notify the DMV of certain health conditions.
This would make sure that any person who is suffering from seizures or other impairing ailments would not be able to operate a motor vehicle.
Another measure would suspend the registration of drivers who have 6 violations in a year at stop signs or red lights, and there's an additional call for more cameras at school zones.
If we allow the expansion of the camera program, if we allow the notification from medical professionals, if we allow police officers to identify those vehicle drivers who are reckless prior to them causing an accident, we're going to have a closed system of safety.
All of that sounding promising to residents in this area, including Amy Cohen, whose own son was killed by a car on Prospect Park West.
These are preventable crashes. We have the solutions.
Regardless if she had seizures or not, or whatever the case may be, if you're going through red lights, if you're having all these tickets, your license should be taken away.
And the New York City Department of Transportation is also evaluating this intersection where the crash took place to figure out if there could be a better traffic pattern that makes it safer. On Monday, a demonstration will be held here as well, calling for safer streets.